Hello guys! Hello guys, we're going to come play.
Ayun na nga at natuloy din ang aming bakasyon dito sa Bicol. Tara, bisitahin natin ang Cagsawa Ruins, Bisibis Bay, Farm Plate at kumain sa mga sikat na kainan dito sa Bicol. Tara, simulan na natin ang ating Bicol trip. Bumiyahe nga kami ng almost 12 hours from Manila to Daraga Albay upang masaksihan ang magandang view ng Mayon Volcano. Ang first stop natin, ang Cagsawa Ruins. Merong entrance fee dito, 85 pesos kapag sa adult and 65 pesos kapag sa bata. And free of entrance naman yung 3 years old and below. So dito makikita nyo sa paligid ang mga naglalakihang bato, mga buhangin na binuga ng Mayon Volcano noong February 1, 1814. It is the most violent eruption in recorded history, destroying the entire town of Cagsawa. Ang Cagsawa Ruins Park is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the area. Tara, picture tayo! Kahit mainit nga ang panahon, enjoy ang mga bata dito sa picture taking. Merong fish pond dito na puno ng isda at magandang landscape dito sa Cagsawa Ruins Park kung saan pwede kayong mag-picture taking ng unlimited. Ang Cagsawa Ruins ay isa sa mga most popular attractions dito sa Albay, and this site has plenty of food and souvenirs to offer. Meron ding activity tulad ng ATV rides that take visitors closer to the volcano. Tara, samahan nyo kami sa aming ATV adventure. So, konting briefing muna bago tayo sumabak sa ating ATV adventure ride. At kahit mainit nga ang panahon, nag-enjoy kami sa aming ATV ride. At after nga ng isang nakakapagod na adventure ay dito kami nag-lunch, ang Let's Pinangat, dito sa Kamalig Albay, a restaurant which serves pinangat. Actually, it just looks like a generic karinderya located just beside the highway. Meron silang Bopis, Bicol Express, sinigang na isda, at marami pang iba. Pwede ka na ring mamili dito ng mga pampasalubong. At ito, yan ang pinangat. Dito sa Maynila, mas kilala sa tawag na laing. Pinangat is a dish that is a blend of chili, dried fish, and coconut milk wrapped in taro leaves and tied securely with coconut leaf. But this one is very different than the ones you can buy in Manila at malaki ang serving nito. Pwede hanggang 3 servings at yung 60 pesos na price nito, sulit na. At after nga namin mag-lunch ay dumiretso na kami sa aming accommodation. And if you want to experience this transient house, just message Kuya J. Ito nga po pala yung kanyang Facebook account. Thank you Kuya J and SGP Travel and Tours. Ito naman yung view natin sa taas. Located ito along Gloria Street, Hausyan Village, Phase 1, Daraga, Albay. At mula dito ay tanaw mo ang majestic view ng Mayon Volcano. At eto naman yung loob ng bahay. And 2 of the 3 bedrooms have air-conditioned units. Merong 3 toilets with shower rooms, attic area that can accommodate 5 to 10 persons. Marami silang extra mattress at kumpleto sa lahat. And it's dinner time dito sa Big's Diner. This resto offers a lot: baby back ribs, crispy chicken, their original rock and roll iced tea blend, American fare all-day breakfasts like tosilog and tapsilog, and Pinoy comfort foods like got. Tara, kain tayo! Good morning and second day natin dito sa Bicol, and i-explore natin ngayon ang Misibis Bay here in Cagraray Island. Tara, sama kayo. So here's the reception and lounge area. Check-in time natin is from 8 AM to 5 PM. This private island resort allows guests to completely immerse in incomparable relaxation, offering only the most exclusive and privileged hideaway. You can either choose to relax under the palm trees or adventure in the sun. And we traveled 1 hour and 20 minutes at talagang mamamangha sa ganda ng view dito.
Hi!
Very peaceful and calming place. IG World. And the kids are very happy. They are ready and excited to jump in the pool. And this pool is one of the 3 pools na makikita natin dito sa Misibis Bay. And this one is the kiddie pool. At kung gusto mo ng adventure, they also offer water sports activities. Windsurfing, habitat sailing, kayaking, stand-up paddle, jet ski, banana boat, and wakeboarding. And if you want to experience a tropical destination in Albay Province, Misibis Bay is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. And it's lunchtime. Merong restaurant dito and they also serve buffet lunch. Tara, kain tayo.
Bigay mo ako mo.
Merong playroom dito. It is fully air conditioned and I am sure that your kids will really enjoy here. And this is one of the many scenic views here in Misibis Bay. Talaga namang ang ganda ng view dito. Third day natin sa Bicol and welcome to Farm Plate, tagged as the happiest place in Bicol. It is open every day from 8 AM until 9 PM. Ang entrance fee dito ay 85 pesos sa adult and 60 pesos sa bata. Farm Plate is perfect for those who yearn for a quick getaway from the hustle and bustle of the city or for those who want to reconnect with nature. At pagpasok mo nga dito, you'll be greeted by a lot of birds chirping here and there. And you're free to explore the whole area with a lot of amenities and activities you can do while you're in the farm play. Pwede mag-camping, there's a free round of carabao ride, kite flying, a playground, relax under hammocks, picnic, and you can use their picnic mats for free. Or dinner with your loved ones dahil mas maganda ang ambience dito pag gabi. Worth it ang magpa-picture dito kasi ang background mo ay ang stunning view ng Mayon Volcano. Hi, Kuya Ono.
Wow! Sarap!
After nga ng isang mainit at nakakapagod na only picture taking ay dito nga kami nag-lunch sa First Colonial Grill. What makes it a must visit in Bicol is that it serves delicious food at a very affordable price. At ang maganda sa restaurant na to is yung sources ng ingredients nila is from the town itself, and by that way they also promoting Bicol Harvest as they support local growers. What made me left a lasting impression sa restaurant na to, apart from their authentic Bicol dishes, ay yung kanilang ice cream flavors. Especially yung kanilang sili ice cream. Wow!
Volcano flavor, ay number volcano.
Parang kulay pa lang mga. Nasa uli yung
Nasa uli.
doon sumasabot yun.
Ano, kumakapit yung anghang. Lasang-lasa yung sil.
And of course, hindi lang sili ice cream, meron ding malunggay, cucumber, salabat, at marami pang pagpipilian. And that's what makes the restaurant all the more worth visiting. It is located at Rizal Street, Barangay Sagpon, Old Balbay, Legazpi City. And before we head back to Manila, side trip muna tayo dito sa CWC o Cam Sur Water Sports Complex. Tara! And aside from these outdoor activities, pwede rin mag-picnic dito, jogging, biking, at tumambay. All of these are free of entrance.